Anchor Plumbing Services provides all types of residential and commercial plumbing in the San Antonio area, but our focus is on you, the homeowner. Our goal is to be your plumber. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say about us. Elle Simpkins says, "Anchor Plumbing is the best. They have very knowledgeable plumbers that will discuss options with you. Dakota and his crew were amazing and fixed multiple issues we were having. Would highly recommend them." Laurie Elle Stiles says, "Anchor Plumbing helped us by repairing a leak in our kitchen ceiling, replaced 2 water heaters, and replaced our water softener in 1 day. Very knowledgeable, professional, and efficient. We'll definitely use them in the future. We want your experience with us to be a reflection of what we stand for: honesty, kindness, and respect for your family and home. Give us a call to schedule a service."